لَقَدْ كَفَرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ هُوَ الْمَسِيحُ ابْنُ مَرْيَمَ. Definitely, those people have blasphemed who have said that Allah is himself Masih ibn Maryam. I told you, this is God incarnate. The concept that Allah himself has come down to this earth in the form of, in the person of Isa ibn Maryam. لَقَدْ كَفَرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ هُوَ الْمَسِيحُ ابْنُ مَرْيَمَ قُلْ فَمَنْ يَمْلِكُ مِنَ اللَّهِ شَيْئًا. Ask them, who will be able to have any authority from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in arada yuhlik al-Masih ibn Maryam wa ummuhu, if Allah decides to assassinate or to eliminate Masih ibn Maryam, or not only Masih ibn Maryam, also his mother, وَمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا, and whosoever is in the earth, Allah can do it in one moment. وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. And to Allah belongs the kingdom and the sovereignty. Mulku samawati wal ard. To Allah belongs the kingdom and sovereignty of all the heavens and the earth. Wama bainahuma. And whatever is in between them. Yakhluqu ma yasha. He creates what he pleases, what he likes. Wallahu ala kulli shay'in qadir. And Allah has power over everything. وَقَالَتِ الْيَهُودُ وَالنَّصَارَى نَحْنُ أَبْنَاءُ اللَّهِ وَأَحِبَّاؤُهُ. And these Jews and Christians, they say, we are sons of Allah. And we are very much beloved with him. He loves us. We are the chosen people of the Lord. Nahnu abna'ullah, just as a son is dear to his father, so are we dear to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nahnu abna'ullah wa ahibbahu. Qul falima yu'azzibukum bizunubikum. Ask them, then why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been punishing you due to your sins? Why he persecuted you at the hands of Nebuchadnezzar? Why you were tortured at the hands of the Greeks and at the hands of the Romans, and in this century at the hands of the Germans? If you are the sons of Allah, why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been punishing you due to your sins? Bal antum basharum mimman khalaq. Nothing of that type. You are also men from among men whom he has created. He has created all the mankind, and you are also human beings like other human beings. No son of Allah, no beloved of Allah. Allah loves only the righteous one. People who have taqwa. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. No nation is the beloved of Allah. No group of people can claim that he has some special relationship with Allah. Bal antum basharum mimman khalaq. Yaghfiru liman yasha wa yu'azzibu man yasha. He will pardon and forgive anybody he pleases. And he will chastise and he will punish anybody he likes. Walillahi mulku samawati wal ard. And to Allah belongs the kingdom and sovereignty of all the heavens and the earth. وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا. And of whatever is there in between them. وَإِلَيْهِ الْمَصِيرُ. And to him is the return.